Hello everyone, welcome back to Career Sync. Today interview questions are very important, so must watch. We have four candidate interview questions and one interview goes more than 1 hour 15 minutes. So don't miss it and let's see what questions they were asked. So starting with the first candidate, you can see that first question was about did you receive any call or message related to bribes or third party involvement in the interview process? Because currently there are many students from in the every group that they are sharing that I will help you to get placed in Cognizant. You have to pay fees, something like. So don't fall for it. Now let's start with the interview. So the first question was like he was to introduce himself. After that, can you tell me what exact role you have performed in your project and which technology you have worked on? So you have to prepare a project before going to the interview. Did you face any challenges during your project? How did you overcome them? Can you write a code to reverse a string without using a reverse function in Java? Means it is that he don't has to use inbuilt function from Java. Also, could you just tell me what static means here? Like static function. This question was asked again later. Now, what is queue? What is a tree data structure? What is database you have used? What is the difference between primary key and foreign key? What is normalization? What are the types of normalization like one enough, two enough, like this? And what is rollback in database management system? After that, the next questions are like, are you open to work in pan India locations, any shift and learning new technologies? So he said yes. And are you willing to relocate to example for Chennai before 15th of your training period? So they give a slightly hint that you will be getting joining before 25th. What does the static keyword mean in Java? What is the difference between JDK and JVM? What is a class loader in Java? What is the multi-threading concept in Java? What is polymorphism inheritance? Is totally OOPS concept and multi. Why does Java support multiple inheritance? Can you give me reason? So it is basically supported with the help of interfaces. What do we use this keyword in Java? What is the difference between interface and abstract class in Java? What is a linked list and what are the types of linked list? Are you willing to relocate to Chennai? The same question again. And do you have any question for us? So you can see that in this, they have asked all the core concept questions, coding questions, database management system questions, as well as the project question. So you have to prepare everything before going to the interview. Now, let's see the second one. It was a very short, like he has to introduce himself and they asked, what would you rate yourself in coding out of 5? He said 4.5. So they asked him to write the code for Fibonacci series and sleep and wait. Then in database management system, they asked him to write the query on second most highest salary. Oops concept, exceptional handling, and difference between final, finally, and finalize. And last question is hash map and hash rate. Now, for cluster 2, we can see that introduction about project, swap without using temporary variable, sum of even numbers, list versus tuples, SQL transactions, joins, asset properties, drop versus truncate, cloud computing basics, and cloud computing models. These are the basic questions in Python, so you have to prepare it. Now, it is also very important. Don't miss this also. First, ask me to show ID card 360-degree room view because many are taking help from their friends and family, whatever they are taking. Now, then ask me problem solving ability like if x and y is positive integer and product of x into y is equal to odd, then what type of value x and y, even or odd? Then ask Python based questions like basic questions. Now, like list tuple, these are the basic questions that are asked in Python. Coding, remove duplicates from list, check whether number is positive, negative, or zero. Then explain this code and output. Means after writing the code, you have to tell them what it's going, what are the logic that you are used. You have to explain everything. Based on that, ask difference between list and set. Can ask basic SQL query orally only, like if I want to record words from table or want particular order, what is the query for that? Then ask cloud-based questions like types of cloud, IaaS, SaaS, difference between what is cloud storage. Then HR question like, are you able to relocate? Can you shift to the another location, different domain? Like you can work on any other technology and how you manage shift. That's it. So thanks for watching this video. I have uploaded all these questions in my sheet. To join our Telegram channel. There you can find more than 150 interview candidates where all the resources are put there. So you can see that what happening. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.